was a fan.
Oh, yo. Recovering from yesterday because we arrived home very late. I really love my little trip with my friends to Tróia. It's very relaxing, rejuvenating, what my soul actually needed. However, I did drive back and forth, and on the way back to Lisbon I got so nervous because it was my first time doing I don't know how many kilometers, but it was pitch black. Thankfully we made it safely. If you're not very comfortable driving around at night between cities in Portugal, I would recommend you to book a hotel stay or something if you need to rest that night, because it can get really messy, and for your safety and other people's safety as well, this is what I would recommend. Na semana anterior eu fui pintar cerâmica e hoje vou levantar a minha pecinha e mal posso esperar para vos mostrar. Super excited to open this at home. While we unbox this, excited. It's the first time I've done this kind of thing, and I cannot wait to see how it turned out. Look at this masterpiece! I really tried, you guys. This is so cute. I'm so happy right now. Vale a pena. Klay Creative, eu vou deixar o nome deles aqui. Acho que vale muito a pena. Se eu voltaria, com certeza. E acho que desta vez iria escolher novas peças, só para variar um bocadinho, experimentar. Porque confesso que não foi muito fácil desenhar. Foi uma experiência incrível, tenho pena de não ter gravado a minha experiência durante isto, mas criei uma versão mini para o TikTok. Eu vou deixar o link na descrição caso vocês decidam e queiram explorar um bocadinho mais. And yeah, don't forget to book your session. You will not regret it. Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica, and today I'm actually off for a walk and for a brunch with a friend of mine. As a corporate girly, you kinda need to romanticize your routine, otherwise you'll just go crazy. And because I don't want to go crazy, I'm going for a walk and meet my friends. If you have been watching the video so far, you have already understood that this is a mini vlog, and I'm pretty much showing you how I've been and how I am romanticizing my routine, my life after work and my life after busy schedules as a corporate girly. I will just take you guys along with me. About the outfit, I haven't choose anything out of ordinary. This is something very simple. So, tailored trousers. I'll be wearing some sneakers for the walk, and then I will probably be meeting other friends later on. I do have a lunch date schedule as well. Let's see how it goes. I'm excited. I really needed this boost of energy, and I'm so thankful I have people I can share them with. Let's go. If you have been enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, how are you also romanticizing your days, your routine, your schedule, so you don't go crazy. Because I'll promise you, I'll be taking notes. And before we go to a real quick skincare, I don't think I'll be wearing makeup. I'll be sweating, so let's go. I have already washed my face. I've been loving this serum. It's so good. I bought in Korea. I've been using this one. It really helps my face feel plump and hydrated. I know this is for brightening, but I don't think it has been brightening my face at all. But it has been helping me uniformizing my skin. So I totally recommend this. Then we're going for some hyaluronic acid because hydration. You got a Torriden. Oh, now Torriden. I bought this in Korea. I've been wearing this all summer. It's very refreshing, but at the same time, very moisturizing. And it's so lightweight. I just love it. My skin loves it. And if you want to use makeup, this would be an ideal face cream because of its consistency. Girl, gotta love it. Last but not least, sunscreen. I've been wearing this one from Lidl. I actually have two new sunscreens I bought in Korea, but I'm just not wearing them till I finish this one. And this one is really good. It's like 3-4 euros, and it's very moisturizing, doesn't leave a white cast. I totally recommend it. Can you see it? Your girl is ready. Can you see the glow? I love this. I love this. Now about my perfumes. I've been wearing and loving my Arab perfumes, so I'm stuck in between these two. This is way too intense. I might wear my Yara. I think it's perfect. It's lightweight for daytime activities. Hi to the camera. Olá. Sentir-se bem, simplesmente. It's so underrated e não sei, eu acho que recomendo que vocês tenham pessoas que vos façam sentir assim. I'm not going to bed like a whole glazed donut, something's wrong, because can we talk about today? I feel very grateful. We need to take our time to be grateful for the people who make our lives more enjoyable. Hope you have enjoyed this video so far, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe. Let me know what would you like to see next, and I'm gonna leave all the products I used in this video linked below. Also, I'm gonna link down below all the places I went to, so you can also add them to your list. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below so I know I can keep them coming for you. And